Hello, welcome to my Never Wonderland. I am Elspeth and today I am playing again this Puppy Keep game in Shein. And here how it is played. So here I have yan, yung may nagtuturo na kamay. I have the dog food and yan, pag pinakain mo siya, mag-i-speed up yung dog food refiller or whatever that is. Ito, yan. Kunin mo yon, pupunta siya. I have 9,000 dog food in my sack kasi may binili ako. When you buy something, kasi claim mo yon, may mga freebies din naman na dog food. So, ang tawag dito, makakaipon ka ng dog food. Tapos, ito yung puso. Ayan, yon. Pag kinulak mo, ayun, see, it moved. Yung yung percentage na 99. Ito. Yan. Feed to claim. Yung 99.75. Kanina, 99.60 something lang siya. Tapos, ito yung percentage. Yan. Ang kailangan ko na lang, 0.25%. Feed to claim. Tapos, meron akong kalaban. Ito. Ayan. From time to time, may nag-offer siya ng match. And then, some other player, makakalaban mo siya sa feeding. And you will compete for 700 grams. Manalo matalo, may makukuha ka dyan. Basta dapat, mas marami kang feeding, mas marami yung makukuha mo from the 700 na paghahatian nyo. Right now, my feeding is 14 yan. Sa kanya, 32. So, ang dami niya. 486 grams yung sa kanya. Sa akin, 214. So, feed now. But I have a lot of dog food. So, matatalo ko yan siya. Hehehe. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, yung may makukuhang dog food din, kinabukasan, the more you feed, tumataas ito, itong 700. Una 600, so naging 700. But you have to feed 5 more times to collect 700. So, feed now. Tapos yan, may mga referral bonus if you want to refer a friend. Tapos, pero hindi ako nag-i-invite. I get my food from, kasi madalas naman akong bumili. So, I get my food from my purchases. Dito yon sa Get More. Yan. So, makakuha ka ng other items ng 100 grams if you browse items for 10 seconds. So, let's get yan. Yan. Start now. So, 10 seconds. Wala. Browse ka lang. Tingin-tingin ka. Kaya mapapabili ka din. So, I think this is what they want. Parang this is what they get from your playing and giving you a prize in exchange. Kasi maaakit ka. Parang advertisement. Ganun, di ba? Parang commercial. Yan. So, yun. I got 100 grams. Tapos, pwede rin makuha ng 100 grams dito sa check-in page. Pag-check-in ka, yung daily check-in sa mismong Shein. So, got it. So, balik ka lang ulit. So, claim. Yan. So, I got another 100 grams. Itong sa browsing, you can do it 4 times a day. Tapos, ito rin, search Puppy Keep on Shein. Kasi that's how you search it That's how you get to play it. You type Puppy Keep on the search bar. Meron kang 100 every time you search it. Tapos, itong helicopter dito, may libreng dog food. Ayan. Airdrop ng 100 grams na dog food. But this is not counted din sa laban nyo nitong kalaban mo. And ito palang laban na to, it lasts 1 hour. So, dapat within an hour, matalo mo na siya. Tapos, may birdie bonus din. Ito, si birdie yung lang yan, usually 50 grams lang binibigay niya. O ngayon, ito na, or yung mga ganyan, parang chance to get something else. Yan, if browse now. Yan, start now. Mga ganun lang. 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yan. Mission accomplished. You've got 100 grams. Yan. Tapos click. Ay, nawala yung mga tao. Ay, nawala yung punta. Yan. Tapos ito naman yung halaman. Magtatanim ka. Tapos, lalaki siya, and then iha-harvest mo. Tapos, may dog food. Vegetarian siguro tong dog food na to. Pang siya. Vegan yung, ba yan? Click mo lang, magtanim. Medyo mabagal lang siya. I don't know if it's my internet connection or mabagal lang talaga siya. Ayan. So, feed. Talunin natin tong si letter K. O, ayan. So, na-complete yung 5 feedings. Magiging 700 na siya. Tapos, 8 feedings. Magiging, ito yung click pang isang 200. Magiging 800. Yung makukuha mo bukas. Ayan. May puso na. Buo na itong puso. So, i-collect. So, look ha. 99.75 or natitirang 0.25 points to get my free na itong dress na green. So, pindutin yung puso. O, yun. So, naging 0.23. Mabagal na siya ngayon when you reach 90+%. Konti na lang yung value ng 100% na heart. Yan. Ito. And habang nag-feed ka, bumibilis itong, yan. So, speeding up yung dog food meter or dog food refiller. Yun, that's how easy it is. Oh, malapit ko na siyang matalo. Nasa 32 feeding siya. Ako nasa 27 na. And I have 20 minutes left to beat him or her. Ayan, so tomorrow 800. Ito na yung maximum na na free dog food each day. For this, yan, for this, I don't know what it is. Bukas pa. Meron rin palang playtime. Ito, yung playtime, you play with your dog, i-click mo lang siya. Yan. Dahil na-click ko na to kanina, so, bukas na. Isang click lang per day. And then, if you complete 2 feedings, that means 2 consecutive days, you get 400 grams. And then for the second prize, 500 grams, 3 feedings, so 3 consecutive days. If you break the streak, and nga, breaking the streak requires starting over. So, kailangan everyday mag-play ka. Yon. And then, eto lumalaki din to eh. Ay, parang, ayan, 2,000 grams. Okay. Click. Ito naman pala may mood level. Itong mood level, it increases your feeding growth rate. Ito naka 1.2 ako kasi ilang beses ko siyang binigyan ng toy. Yung toy dito mo makukuha. Yan, dito sa daily free toys. 2 out of 3. So 3 toys per day. Nakatuna ako. Parang every hour yung Inipon ko muna bago ko siya plinay para maging mataas yung mood level. Kasi lang siya plus 5 mood points yung per toy. Yan. Nare-record kaya. Screen recording lang to, so I'm not sure if nare-record yung voice ko. I might have record the voice over if not. Sana nare-record. Anyway, ayun lang. That's how you play it. And after completing 100%, you get your prize. Diba? Not bad. Kesa dun sa nilalaro kong Candy Crush ng ano ba to? Candy Saga dun sa I'm not going to say it anymore. Alam nyo na yon. Mga barya-barya lang ang makuha. Minsan water lang. O, ayun. O, 99.79% or 0.21 more love points to get my free gift. Diba? Okay. Meron palang tawag dito, nung pinost ko itong unwrapping ko ng prize ko sa TikTok, may mga nag-comment doon ng mga codes. I don't know how the code works. Parang sabi, swap codes, everyday player here, something, ganyan. I don't know how to use the codes. Dito sa Poppy Keep, I don't know. Nagtanong ako sa kanila, pero walang sumasagot. Sila lang doon nagswaswapan. Swap. Ayan. O, diba? Thank you, Shein. I'm looking forward to my dress. Na sana kasha, medium kasi yung pinili ko. Yun pa, I am stressing, emphasizing na if you're gonna play this, you have to choose make sure, choose carefully. Now, you have the right size. You click the right size and the right product, right color. Kasi it's not changeable anymore after you play the game or after you complete the game. Mag-harvest tayo. Ito pala, ano lang siya. You can only plant 20 times a day. So, nakapag ano na ako, na-plant ko na and harvest yung. Na-plant ko na 20 times. So, wala na to. Bukas na. Planting limit reached today. Come back tomorrow. Okay, I'll come back tomorrow. See you guys. I'll just complete my, beating this, si K. 32 siya. Na-stuck na siya sa 32. Ako 51 na. Hehehe. So, I have 434 grams. Siya 266. Huwag naman natin siyang masyadong. Wala na ba't pinag-increase? Ayan, 54. I'll stop at ano na lang, 60. Para siguradong panalo na. Kasi mamaya pa lalabas yung mamaya pa lalabas yung panalo after the time limit ends. Kaya ends in 00 hours, 17 minutes, and 10 seconds. So ano natin. Siguro naman hindi na siya makakahabol, no? Let's collect the heart again. Tada! 19.19 love points na lang. 60. O, tsaka wala na rin dito, yung freebie. So, bukas na lang ulit. Sayang din yung akin. Pero dami ko pang food. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope well, it's up to you if you want to play, if this is right up your alley, if this is your trip. Bye! Ay, bago pala ako mag-buy, pag pala nag-exit ka, look, exit. You have a special bonus. Kasi na 100 grams, parang hindi ka umalis. So, babalik ka, claim mo. Para mapunta yun dun sa dog food mo. Tapos, pag nag-exit ka na ulit, wala na. Search Puppy Keep on Shein to enter this activity. Puppy Keep, got it. Bye!